Merry Christmas, darling. What is this you have received again? Is it a Christmas gift?
No, it's
coming early.
I'm an Amazon babe.
You're Amazon babe?
Yeah, I work long hours, so I haven't got time to go shopping, so I do what a lot of people do in my situation and shop off Amazon.
Oh.
You know, I think these are my fat busters.
Fat buster?
Or fat blockers, I think. No, you need to cut the end of it.
Fat blubbers?
Yeah. They come in a great big box. Look at that, great big box.
Yeah, that's for stopping it from moving.
This is where the Amazon rainforest.
That they don't have the smaller than that. What is it? It's called XLS Medical Fat Binder for the treatment of excess weight. You're not fat.
No, I'm not fat. But what happens is that I don't want to get fat. So these
1 month reach your first results. 180 tablets. Is it effective?
Yeah. In the past, you could only get these on prescription, and anybody that wanted them would have to go to a private doctor in the UK because the National Health wouldn't prescribe them. But now you can buy them from Amazon.
What they do?
Well, what they do, they bind the fat to I presume some sort of molecule or protein that's in them, so the fat doesn't get taken up into your colon, your large intestine drains the fat.
So where they go then?
Well, you just pass it out with your feces.
So you may end up with a lot of things in your feces that will float in the toilets.
It does float.
So
it's called a floater, so I suggest, I know this sounds horrible, but if you do have anything like this and you go to the toilet, you need to put some toilet paper just on top of it, and when you flush it, go away.
Yeah, it's always right.
I took these years ago, so I thought, well, why not?
Does it have any side effects?
No, it has no side effects at all, except sometimes the pee will float. That's it. No side effects.
How many years it has been in the market?
Well, I first heard of it 25 years ago, so it's been a long time.
Interesting. Thank you. You can buy it from here, huh? XLMS Medical, Amazon.
Yeah.
So how you feel? We have harvested, how many punnets? 1.5 punnet. That's around at this 10 pounds.
And he said, don't pop my cherry.
What do you mean by don't pop my cherry? Is it English term?